Baked rigatoni is a classic of Italian cuisine, perfect for a family lunch or dinner with friends. Here's how to prepare this delicious dish. Ingredients: 500 grams of rigatoni, 700 milliliters of tomato passata, 300 grams of mozzarella, 100 grams of grated Parmesan cheese, 150 grams of diced cooked ham, optional, 3 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil, 1 small onion, salt and pepper to taste, fresh basil, butter for greasing the baking dish. Preparation: preheat the oven to 200 degrees Celsius. Bring a large pot of salted water to a boil and cook the rigatoni until al dente, about 2 minutes less than the cooking time indicated on the package. Then drain them and set aside. Meanwhile, finely chop the onion and sauté it in a large skillet with the extra virgin olive oil until it becomes translucent. Add the tomato passata to the skillet with the onion, salt, and pepper to taste. Let it simmer on medium-low heat for about 15 minutes, then add a few hand-torn basil leaves. Cut the mozzarella into cubes and, if you choose to use it, prepare the diced cooked ham. Lightly butter a baking dish. Mix the rigatoni with the tomato sauce in the skillet and then transfer half of the rigatoni into the baking dish. Lay a layer of mozzarella and cooked ham over the rigatoni. Sprinkle with part of the grated Parmesan. Now add the rest of the rigatoni, the remaining ham, mozzarella, and finish with the grated Parmesan. Bake in the oven for about 20 minutes or until the surface is golden and crispy. Allow to rest for 5 minutes before serving. Curiosity: baked rigatoni is one of the many variations of baked pasta found in Italy, variations that can include different types of cheese, meat, or vegetables. In some regions of Italy, there are local versions with typical ingredients, such as Sicilian-style baked pasta with eggplants, hard-boiled eggs, and caciocavallo cheese.